Hello friends, welcome. Myself Ranjit Srivastav. In this part of series, I'm going to discuss Amazon Analytics portion, where we will learn a lot of analytics service host, which is provided by AWS. As you can see, this is AWS console, where you can find compute services, storage services, database services, migration, networking, and content and delivery, developer tools, management tools, media services, machine learning. These are all different services which is being provided by AWS. This AWS is a cloud solution provided by Amazon company, and these are some services. In this part of series, we are going to discuss this portion, analytics portion, where we're gonna have a project on Athena, cloud services, Kinesis, and so on like things. So the first thing and first that you must have AWS account. It is just simple as making account on Facebook or Gmail, and then after having AWS account, you must also have AWS CLI, which should be installed in your computer. And yeah, one more thing, that to create your account on AWS, there's a free option here where you can use this AWS services for 12 months for no cost. Means it's totally free. So you can check it on free tier AWS. Just type free tier AWS and you will gonna get lot of things. To activate your free tier account, some things are required, like you have to provide them credentials. In free tier account, you will get Amazon Dynamic 25 GB, Amazon EC2 750 hours, Amazon Lightsail 750 hours, RDS S3, SageMaker, Workdocs, Lambda, and many more things. Okay, these are some features. This this all services you will gonna get using this free tier account of AWS. For this, you just have to provide your credentials related to your debit card and so on like things. From here you can start setting your, like my role is I'm entrepreneur, student, anything like that. Okay, so in this way you can create your free tier account and you will get all these services to have play with this all services of AWS. And for installing the AWS CLI, yeah, Python must install on your computer, because I'm going to use Python. So to install AWS CLI, just you have to write pip install and AWS CLI. And after installing this AWS CLI, you have to configure with your credentials, which is given by this AWS. This credentials is one is key and one is secret key. You have to configure it with your CLI, and from next time you can use this AWS CLI for using all the services of AWS. So in my next video, I'm going to start with any one of the services of analytics hosted by AWS.